ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು 614th ಡೇ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು ಸಭಾಪರ್ವಮು 68th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, in the assembly, Kauravas assembly, Karna saying to Dussasana like this: O Dussasana, come on, pull out Draupadi's garments. Then immediately Dussasana, in the middle of that assembly, forcibly started pulling out Draupadi's vastras. Then Draupadi began praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying like this: O Krishna, Mahati apadi samprapte smartavyo bhagavan harihi. When there is a big danger, you have to pray Sri Hari, Sriman Narayana, who is Sri Krishna. Like that, some time back, Vasishtha Maharshi said. Now I do remember his words. Govindeti samabhashya, Krishneti cha punah punaha. Like that, Draupadi said and started saying, Ho Govinda, Ho Krishna, Ho Krishna. Repeatedly, Draupadi taking Krishna Paramatma's name and Manasa Chintayamasa Devam Narayanam Prabhum Apatsu Abhayadam Krishnam Lokanam Prapitamaham. Draupadi repeatedly remembering, meditating upon Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is the great grandfather of origin of all the worlds, who is Sriman Narayana, who is the master of everyone, who is the one protects when we are in troubles. Now Draupadi repeatedly taking and praying and meditating upon Sri Krishna Paramatma, and also saying like this: Govinda Dvarakavasin Krishna Gopi Janapriya Kauravaihi Paribhutam Mam Kim Na Janasi Kesava. Ho Govinda, Ho Dvarakavasi, Ho Krishna, Ho Gopi Janapriya, O Kesava, these Kauravas insulting me so horribly. Can you not see? Don't you know about this? He Natha, He Ramanatha, He Vrajanatha, Artinasana, Kauravarnavamagna Mam Uddharasva Janardana. Ho Prabhu, Ho Ramavallabha, Ho Vrajanatha, O Artinasaka. In this ocean of Kauravas, I am drowning. Can you not please uplift me from here, Ho Janardana? Krishna Krishna Mahayogin Visvatman Visvabhavana Prapannam Pahi Govinda Kuru Madhyeva Sidatam. Krishna, O Mahayogi, O Visvatma, O Visvabhavana, O Govinda, I am totally crushed within these Kauravas. Please protect me, Krishna. I am surrendering to you, Krishna. Please protect me. Like that, Draupadi is praying to Krishna, who is Sri Hari, who is the master of Tribhuvaneswaram Harim Krishnam, who is the master of all the worlds. And while praying to Krishna, Draupadi masking, hiding her face with her hands and crying a lot in that middle of assembly. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. Ho Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.